Have you ever wondered how you can learn Python with AI? Imagine merging the power of artificial intelligence with your learning journey. It's about making learning more interactive, personalized, and efficient than ever before. Stay tuned to uncover the simple steps to learn Python with AI. Before diving into the process, you need to know what Python and AI are. Python, a widely used programming language, is known for its simplicity and readability. It's a favorite among developers, especially those working on AI projects. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that mimics human intelligence, enabling machines to learn, reason, and solve problems. Python plays a crucial role in AI development due to its flexibility and rich library support. Now that you know what Python and AI are, it's time to understand how they work together. Learning Python with AI involves a series of steps. Step 1. Immerse yourself in the basics of Python. Get familiar with syntax, data types, and control structures. Step 2. Once you've got the hang of Python basics, dive into advanced topics like decorators, generators, and OOP. Step 3. Start working on AI projects. Implementing AI algorithms will give you hands-on experience and deepen your understanding. Use libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch for this. Finally, the fourth step, use AI tools to improve your Python skills. AI can provide personalized learning paths, identify gaps in your knowledge, and suggest resources to fill them. Remember, learning Python with AI is a journey that requires consistent effort and practice. In this short time, you've discovered a new approach to learning Python. We've explored the essence of Python and AI, and how blending the two can revolutionize your learning process. Remember, the journey to mastering Python with AI isn't a sprint, but a marathon, filled with constant practice and learning. So get started, embrace the process, and let AI guide you through the world of Python. Start your journey to learning Python with AI today and unlock a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching.